Hi people, this is Nettie again. I want to show you this. If your tomato falls and they're still green, if it has a stem, add a little bit of water. I put a whole bunch because I don't use, this is the first thing that I grabbed. But as you see, it's nice and red already. There's a mystery here. I don't know what happened. That the 25th, I showed this video, exactly this, how red it was. This been there like around 5 days. And the other day, when I looked, I made a video, but it was green. I said, how the heck it was green? When I was showing it because it was red. I don't know what happened. So I just decided that I was gonna put this video up, and if any tomato falls, or you cut it by mistake, like that's happened, with this one, and not this one. This one was that they found it in the floor, and I washed it real good, and I put it in water, and it was green, totally green, and look how beautiful it is. It's still a little, how you call it, hard. So what I'm doing is leaving it to be nice and soft, and I'll eat it. No problem with me. I'll eat it. But I don't know what happened with that. But has anybody has gone through a weird thing? And I looked in the Spanish channel. I didn't see anything about this. So I'm gonna put this one also in the Spanish area, because it's a nice thing to know that if you're doing something and you think a green tomato, you have to throw it out. No, you don't. You do this. Add a little water in the stem and the bottom, and let it just enjoy the water. And it's still hard, so it could grow some more. Still hard. And this tomato, what I found out was when the first one that I took, that I made the potato salad, when I opened it, to my eyes, it was a surprise. Inside was big, how you call it, big seeds. I decided to wash it, dry it, and use it like I use him. I call it. I do this because look, we're in tight times. Like wasting a lot of things with seeds and vitamins and proteins and all this stuff. You could get all the nutrients for your plants just by home things. Eggs is high in calcium. Right there, you got the calcium. Coffee is good for it too. And what they call the other thing, Epsom salt. What I do now, I do it this way now. I notice it's not hurting the plants, it's helping the plant. So what I do is I take the coffee, I fill it up. I got a canister, like a canister, not a canister, it's like a, thing to put, like it looks like a big giant, it was from, I think it was garlic, you know. And since it's plastic, I don't have to worry that it might fall, the girls here and all that. So I fill it up every night. I already did it today. I filled it up, and then I put Epsom salt, shake it in there, and with my plants. They love it. They love it. So I'm trying to save my eggplant. I buried it over there outside, and it didn't like it. Now I got it here yesterday, and when I put it, she was all with how you call it, her leaves. They were like in the sky, I said, oh wow, it looks like it worked. But then when I see it today, I see her with her leaves hanging down. So I don't know if I could save it or not. But if I can't save it, I think I got eggplant seeds. I had from one of the plants that I had before. So I'll probably use those because the ones I'm buying is not cutting it. So I just want to say this. I don't know what the mystery is, how that happened, that I thought I was doing this on the date that it has. I think it was the 20, I call it, I don't remember, but I have to check it out. But that date that it comes, I'll put in the description. That day that it came, that I did the video, this, I call it this tomato was red. It wasn't green. And I'm breaking my head with that unless that the camera did a mistake and put a different address and different dates, which I doubt it because right now it has the right date. So I don't know what happened, but only God knows. All I know is that this is a blessing, knowing to do that. What's back there? You see the onions, and do this. And I'm planning to also use my garlic and do this too. You know, like I did this a couple of years ago, you know. And if you want to see the video, maybe I'll put down the links so you could see it. And it grew pretty good until the next time it comes out. They shed the outside, you know, it gets rotten. But then it stays a little ball, like it was like she was pregnant. It looks like she's pregnant. And then that little ball comes out. And when that ball comes out, it's the original garlic. Yeah, garlic. And I learned that because I did it with water. So it was an experience. So people, I'm going to let you go because it's late. I got to take a bath. I'm very tired. I was washing dishes left and right. I'm not going to show them. But I call it. I just finished now. You know, I take care of my daughters, my granddaughters too. So I have to, you know, they take one cup after the other and things like that. You know, they're babies. They do things like that. So before I go to sleep, I keep the kitchen clean because then I have to do dinner, you know, and maybe breakfast. Not breakfast. Usually I don't because her mom gives a breakfast at home. But sometimes they want lunch, they want to eat something, so I have everything prepared for them. I don't have to go all crazy. I love those girls. I love my 3 girls because I got 3. 2 for my daughter and 1 for my son. And I love them so much, you know. And I pray to God that, you know, that God protects them. Also my kids, you know. So, God bless you all. Until the next time. Bye-bye. ¿Qué pasa?